Hi, I'm Dr. LJ Rose with the Natural Wellness Academy, and today is a wellness recipe for mind. Did you know that more than 70% of the things that we say to ourselves about ourselves or life of the world are negative? That means that we could be creating self-fulfilling prophecies to live a way that we really don't want to live. And if you subscribe to the idea of the law of attraction, that we co-create our own reality, which I very much do, just focusing on something for 17 seconds or more starts to bring it into our reality. So it's very important when you catch yourself saying something negative, say cancel. I've been doing this for years. I've been telling my husband, if I hear him saying something negative, I'll say cancel, to the point that if he catches me saying something negative, he'll yell out, say cancel. It's very easy to do, and you can shift your life experience. Just say the word cancel.